Cycling clothes, especially mountain bike shorts, are made to keep you protected as you ride through the mountain trails. These are manufactured from lightweight, breathable materials and feature water-repellent coatings to keep moisture from getting inside while maintaining a comfortable riding experience all the way. Therefore, in today's video, we have talked about the 5 best shorts for mountain biking that will keep you comfortable and protected while riding through the woods. So, without wasting any of your time, let's hop into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
An updated design to ensure you a heightened riding experience when it comes to mountain bike riding, the Hispor Men's MTB shorts is a comfy and baggy pair of shorts that provide high breathability with super quick drying features. Constructed from a 4-way stretch polyester and spandex fabric that is highly breathable, stretchy, durable, moisture-wicking, and abrasion-resistant, which makes it ideal for a comfortable trail riding scenario. And its reinforced crotch seams make it perfect for getting rough and tumble on your track. If we talk about its fit, it has an excellent double protection. For instance, you can adjust its waist for a better fitting experience as it features an elasticated waistband. Besides, its 2 buttons and loop fastener adjustment tab on the side of each leg results in a snug and comfortable fit. However, remember not to pull the adjusters too tight. And to keep your riding essentials with you, this pair of shorts comes with 5 spacious and deep pockets with YKK zippers, making it easier to open and close. So go fast, go rough, and don't worry about the items falling out. In a sense, the Hispor Men's MTB shorts shines really bright even though it may come last on our list. But don't let it trick you, because these shorts are specifically designed to serve you well through mountain biking. And when it comes to versatility and usability, they don't compromise, not a bit. Designed not only to resist the beating of the trail but also to keep you comfortable for the whole journey, this specialized Enduro Pro Shorts is a perfect cycling gear for everyone. It features vaporized woven fabric, a sturdy and lightweight textile that'll keep you safe from the water element as it comes with water-repellent ability. Furthermore, its Deflect UV50+ will protect you from the harmful ultraviolet rays while riding under the sun. This short comes with 2 zippered pockets along with a sweat access side zipper that can be used to store the essentials you will need on the trail conveniently and quickly. Plus, for your enhanced ventilation, it also features laser perforated venting. Besides, it features a 13.5-inch inseam and a removable liner that is constructed to be light and well breathable. Also, the liner features 3D mountain chamois, which will effectively relieve pressure on the soft tissue so that you can have a proper blood flow. Overall, the specialized Enduro Pro Shorts is a comfortable pair of mountain bike shorts that can bring enhanced performance to you with several great offerings. Whether you go up or go down on the steep or steady grounds, the Patagonia Landfarer bike shorts is an excellent choice for your trail riding wear, enhancing your breathability and maximizing airflow in the most optimal way possible. It is built with a robust nylon spandex 4-way stretch fabric that is extremely breathable. It also features a durable water-repellent coating that will keep water away from you in case of any drizzle or accidental water bottle slip. Besides, it features an elastic waistband that enables you to move freely due to its form-fitting nature. Also, its 12-inch inseam and added snap loops will let you attach it to liner shorts very easily. Also, for storage, you get 2 zippered side pockets as well as 1 drop-in pocket on the left hip. These pockets will ensure your valuable things will remain safe with you no matter how bumpy the terrains are. For your high-performance trail riding desires, the Patagonia Landfarer bike shorts will be an excellent option with its enhanced breathability, outstanding airflow, and other convenient features. Made to keep you protected from impact while ensuring high durability, the Punk Resistance Enduro shorts will enhance your comfort while pedaling. It is constructed from a stretch material designed to manage moisture. Plus, it features a very durable Vectran-reinforced hip, thigh, and knee, making it tear resistant. Additionally, it's designed in such a way so that it can work seamlessly with any Punk VPD knee pad. Besides, its design is ideal for your downhill adventures as it features a rider-tuned pre-bent knees. These shorts are engineered and sewn with the advantage of Velcro waist adjustment, providing you with an ideal fit. You also get 2 zippered pockets on either side and a discreet and functional card pocket on the back, which makes it convenient for you to carry your essentials safely and securely. If you're looking for something ideal for your downhill adventures that'll fit well, has enough stretch, and is extremely tough, then the Punk Resistance Enduro shorts is exactly what you're looking for. With a stretchy and raised back panel in combination with the perfect fit that suits your needs, Troy-Lee-Skyline provides the utmost moisture-wicking performance to go with the warm climates. It is made of 95% Coolmax polyester and 5% Lycra, a certified blue sign fabric along with warp and stretch material that allows you to move freely. Furthermore, a durable mesh panel leg will ensure you the best breathability. With the perfect fit for your body shape, it features slim TLD embossed Velcro waist adjusters that make this fit you as snugly as you want. Plus, it comes with a TLD low-profile snap button with Velcro backing, ensuring you a solid closer without even bulking the whole thing up. Moreover, it comes with 2 zippered hand pockets with sleek zippers garages to ensure a clean look. Also, much-needed silicone grippers are added so that this short does not slip down to cause an embarrassment. All in all, the Troy-Lee-Skyline is the perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and performance, especially in warm weather, which makes it the easy top choice for any mountain bike rider. So that was all about the 5 best shorts for mountain biking just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.